A no-code, non-custodial super payment solution. My name is Rico Richardson and in this video I'm going to tell you all about Moopay. So to understand this project to the fullest, let me first give you some background info. Web 2 refers to the version of the internet most of us know today. It's an internet dominated by companies that provide services in exchange for your personal data. You can think of companies like Facebook and Google that know absolutely everything about you. Now Web 3 in the context of Ethereum refers to decentralized apps that run on the blockchain. These are apps that allow anyone to participate without monetizing their personal data. Moopay is a Web3 based program. Now let me tell you more about it. There are 5 challenges Moopay is looking to solve when it comes to Web2 right now. These are the fact that there's middlemen everywhere, it's centralized and vulnerable, and you don't own your own keys nor your own money, and the people that control it have too much power, and finally, you don't own your own data. So Moopay says that creators and small businesses suffer without an affordable, friendly and easy to deploy payment solution. So what is Moopay and how are they looking to solve it? Moopay is a payment solution for businesses. It is designed to work well for all payments because it's non-custodial, and it makes sense because there are no cashbacks, and it claims to be a super solution because there is no coding involved. They want to help you supercharge your business by allowing you to use over 90 different cryptocurrencies, use multiple chains, allow you to have full control over your funds, and with a very easy way to integrate their system, which requires no coding from your end and have a non-custodial instant payment settlements. To top it off, it also gives you detailed reporting and insights. The private beta isn't out yet, so unfortunately I can't show you, but there is a 2-minute demo showcasing you the possibilities, which I will be sure to link down below, and I'll show some bits later on. I highly encourage you to check it out because when I looked at the demo, the project just made sense. You can integrate Moopay with, let's say, Shopify and have your customers pay you in cryptocurrencies, which in my personal opinion will become the future eventually, or at least coexist alongside regular fiat currencies like the euro and the dollar. Now there are 6 topics that are mentioned which makes Moopay a powerhouse according to them. The first one is being able to share payment links by using email, SMS, Messenger and so on and get paid immediately. The second thing is being able to take your store online without having to code and being able to accept international and domestic payments. You can also collect one-time or subscription payments and have subscription plans with automated recurring transactions. Incoming payments can also be split automatically to vendors' accounts to manage marketplace money flow. And the final topic is Smart Collect, which means that you can automatically reconcile incoming payments using wallets and addresses created for every transaction. Now the product suite of Moopay is very diverse as well. They support all reputed platforms to ensure you'll be able to have the high security when it comes to accepting payments. And due to all the Moopay plugins which support the most major platforms, you'll also be able to easily accept payments on your website. They have an SDK for you to use for integrations, and they want to be the simplest way for freelancers, homemakers and professionals to be able to accept their payments. Now, what I personally like about Moopay as well is that they can be integrated in so many different platforms. Got a web shop with a WordPress site? You can use it. Have a Shopify site selling your merchandise? No problem for Moopay. You'll be able to integrate that as well and accept crypto as payments. These and many other options can be found at their website. I'll be sure to link that down below to see if Moopay can be integrated by your platform of choice. Now they made a great demo on their product, like I said before. Now let me quickly show you some snippets.
So you can go to demo.moopay.live and you will come to the screen to create your account. So on the top you see there are different chains which you can connect. So right now we have connected Solana through Phantom, and on the left side you see different products. Some of these are live and some are coming soon. And in the center you see an overview of the recent transactions as well as the total transaction history. So let's say we create a demo product quickly, like that's a payment button. So we go here and we create the button. So this link can be used either as an iframe on your website and you can add a callback, or you can use it as a hosted button on our website and you can use it to make the payment. And 99% payment goes to the merchant and 1% as a transaction fee goes to Moopay. This is what we are working on next. We are building different Shopify, WooCommerce and other plugins, as well as the SDKs and the APIs.
This demo just looks great in my opinion, and it offers a true solution, which I'm always fond of seeing when I look at new crypto projects. And now that we're talking about money and payments anyway, let's have a look at their tokenomics and their token. But before we do, let's take a quick moment to thank today's sponsor, which is SOLR. They have asked me to do this video after succeeding on a private sale with Moopay. I'll be sure to link their Discord and Telegram in the description for you to check it out. And if you join them, that will give you the possibility to join in on private sales and be super early when it comes to new projects. Moopay makes use of a native token to run the whole system, and as a holder of the token, you will enjoy 8 benefits. You will be able to vote and decide what happens in the future for Moopay. Get staking rewards because you'll be able to stake your Moopay tokens and provide liquidity, but also get a fee reduction as well of 25%, which isn't uncommon for payment solutions or exchanges, but having a 25% fee reduction can be very beneficial in the long run. Then you'll be able to enjoy cashbacks as well, even though I can't tell you the specifics just yet on how much that will be. And since the token is deflationary, you'll be able to grow alongside, with 40% of the fees being used to burn tokens. Long-term token holders could get a share of the total fee generated. Now 30% of the fee could be distributed to the long-term token holders. So that means that you'll benefit while you hold. And the fee is tiered and has a maximum of 1% on all transactions. Now the final 2 benefits are a bit more abstract because the multi-year lockup for the team makes them claim that this will allow them to grow in alignment with the Moopay vision. And Moopay is also creating a launchpad for new projects, and Moopay offers them free transactions up to 1 Bitcoin in volume, offers them marketing support, and also provides more help when the projects decide to launch with Moopay and stake the tokens for a long term. This creates a vibrant ecosystem and also an incentive for teams to hold Moopay tokens. Now the merchants get access to advanced features when they stake the token, and also get early access to new features. And with tokens comes Tokenomics, and the same goes for Moopay. The team takes 13% and their family and friends take up 90%. In the pie chart they are called investors and advisors, which is a little bit odd, but their explanation is that they've raised $100,000 among family and friends first before they decided to go to the public investment rounds like seed and private. Now the vesting schedule for them is nothing at TGE, and then the day after TGE, they will get their tokens linearly for 15 months. This isn't a very long vesting schedule, so please keep that in mind. And the vesting schedule for the team is 5% after 6 months and then daily for 30 months. It's not a very common vesting period and means that the team gets 5% after 6 months that they can use to take out parts of their investment. So basically, they have a total vesting period of 36 months before, in theory, they could be out of the project money-wise. Now please keep in mind, I'm not a registered financial advisor, nor is my video meant as financial advice. My videos are meant for educational and entertaining purposes only. Also, if you'd like to find out about new projects before anybody else and talk everything related to crypto, please join my Telegram by following the link in the description down below. And one of the final few things is the team and roadmap, and the team consists of 9 people and growing fast, including the co-founders Ajash Pal Singh and Kamaljeet Singh. I'll put a hyperlink to the LinkedIn pages in the description down below, and they are in private beta with 1 client, and they have let me know that their waiting list already consists of over 40 projects. They are onboarding them one by one, and in the next quarter, after 2 audits, they will make the platform public for anyone to onboard and integrate Moopay as a payment method to their website, app, and so on. Moopay supports 6 chains, which are Ethereum, Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, Aurora, Near, and Solana, and they have Shopify, WooCommerce, and other e-commerce platform integrations in beta and testnet. Now the first 3 products are also live in the testnet, and they have a merchant dashboard. The swap launch is planned for the 2nd quarter of this year, and many other things. I'll be sure to link the roadmap down below for you to check it out and to see all of their upcoming plans for the next few quarters. And the potential of a project is highly dependent on their social media game. And in the case of Moopay, they are present on Twitter, Discord, LinkedIn, Telegram, Instagram, and Medium. And one of the articles on Medium is how they achieved a 50,000 grant from Near for its no-code payment gateway. These social media channels are used for community interactions and updates about the project. I highly suggest following them to get all the latest news. Their website and white paper will be linked down below so you can use them for your research. And if you want to learn about other projects, make sure to click that button down there. And until next time, doei!